Hey guys, it's Andrea Rueda, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this shampoo sent to me by Skin Research Institute. The name is KeeWee Revitalizing Shampoo with Viola Veracunda, and I am super excited to try it out today. So I recently went blonder. I also cut my bangs for the new year. But when I go blonder, I tend to be extra careful with the products that I put in my hair because you are already gonna see some damage. So top 3 things that I look for in a shampoo or any hair and beauty product is the ingredients. Second is how they smell. And third, how I feel immediately after I try them out. I also love the sleek design, minimalistic aesthetics, and that is made with eco-friendly materials. It's certified vegan, clinically proven, and sulfate-free. Now it's time to put it to the test. Immediately when I smelled this product, I knew that I was gonna like it. I'm very big on smells and scents, and I don't like things that are too scented, but I like very elegant and elevated smells. It's a little herbal, woody, a little bit of rosemary, patchouli. It smells really good. So check mark for me for the way it smells. So while I was using this product, I could immediately tell that this was a high quality product because of the way it lathers, and it really stayed in my hair, if that makes sense. Like after I removed it with the water, it really stays really silky and smooth, and that is very rare for shampoos. And if you have sensitive scalp just like me, this is hypoallergenic, so it's gonna be very friendly for sensitive scalp. It's such a gentle formula. It's kind of like being in a spa. It's made with high quality materials and ingredients that you really feel it the first time you use it. And if you want optimal results, you want to use this 2 to 3 times a week. Some other ingredients that you can find here in this shampoo is coconut oil, caffeine, biotin, niacinamide, which is also B3 vitamin. This one is especially important for maintaining healthy cells. And ginkgo biloba leaf actually is an antioxidant that can protect hair follicles. So I love that that's also here in this product. Harmful ingredients that are not here are sulfates, silicones, parabens, phenolphthalein, very harmful for your hair and your skin. So if your hair has no life whatsoever, if you shed a lot, and if you're experiencing thinning, this shampoo might help you a lot. Finally, the ultimate test is of course in seeing how this product acts after a blow dryer or after brushing my hair, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's like really nice and bouncy. It has like a little shine, and this is only using this shampoo. I have a really hard time having shampoos give me the moisture that I need because my hair is really dry. Also, I just went blonder, as I mentioned before. The ingredients are really important for me, and that's sort of like number 1 for me right now. But the way it smells and the way it actually performed after I shower and after using my styling products, it really just checkmarked a lot of boxes for me. So I give it a 10 out of 10 for the KeeWee Revitalizing Shampoo with Viola Veracunda. I wasn't aware that Viola Veracunda was such a powerful component for hair growth. So as you age, whether you're a man or a woman, you're gonna see some hair thinning and hair loss. So I love that I am going to be adding this shampoo to my repertoire every time I shower. And you can get this product in the link in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Again, my name is Andrea Rueda. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on this short unboxing of this wonderful product, and I hope you love it, and let me know if you like it.